The art of deception, matching your lure to the water. Fishing is an exciting battle of wits between angler and fish. It's a game where strategy and knowledge play crucial roles. We carefully select lures, attempting to mimic what fish are naturally drawn to in their environment. This involves understanding the local aquatic life and the specific prey that our target fish are hunting. The goal is to make our lure irresistible, a deception so convincing that the fish strikes without hesitation. This requires not only the right lure but also the right presentation and movement in the water. One crucial aspect of lure selection often overlooked is color. The color of the lure can mimic the natural prey or stand out to attract attention. Color can be the deciding factor between a successful day on the water and a disappointing return with an empty cooler. Bright colors might work in murky waters while natural hues are better in clear conditions. We must consider water clarity, weather, and even the feeding habits of our target species. Each of these factors can influence the effectiveness of our lure. By understanding these elements, we significantly increase our chances of a successful catch. Knowledge, patience, and the right lure can turn a simple fishing trip into a memorable adventure. Preparation is key. Before heading out, ensure your gear is in top condition and your lures are ready. This attention to detail can make all the difference. Researching the fishing area can provide insights into the best spots and the types of fish you might encounter. This knowledge allows you to choose the most effective lures. Timing is also crucial. Early mornings and late evenings are often the best times to fish, as many species are more active during these periods. Patience and persistence are essential. Not every cast will result in a catch, but with the right approach, your chances improve significantly. Ultimately, fishing is about enjoying the experience. The tranquility of nature, the thrill of the catch, and the satisfaction of a well-chosen lure all contribute to a rewarding adventure. Clear waters, natural hues. Lure selection for visibility. In clear water conditions, visibility is high, making it easier for fish to spot lures from a distance. Fish can easily see our lures from a distance, which means we need to be strategic in our lure selection. This means we need to be more selective with our color choices, ensuring they blend well with the natural environment. Natural colors such as silver, white, and translucent greens or blues are effective in these conditions. These colors are less likely to startle fish. These colors mimic the appearance of common prey fish, making our lure appear more natural and less intimidating. Fish are more likely to approach a lure that looks like their natural prey. Avoid overly bright or flashy colors in clear water as they can spook fish rather than attract them. Bright colors can be too aggressive and unnatural. Remember, subtlety is key when fishing in clear conditions. Using subtle techniques and natural-looking lures will increase your chances of a successful catch. Adjusting your lure to match the specific conditions of the water can also make a significant difference. Pay attention to the light and water clarity. The way your lure moves in the water can also impact its effectiveness. A natural, smooth movement is more likely to attract fish. By carefully selecting and adjusting your lure, you can greatly improve your chances of a successful catch in clear water conditions. Under cloudy skies. Lure choices for low-light conditions. Cloudy days create low-light conditions that impact fish's ability to see. In these situations, we need to use lures that are more visible. Bright colors like chartreuse, orange, and yellow are excellent choices for overcast days. These colors stand out in the water, making it easier for fish to spot our lures even in low visibility. They create a stark contrast against the dull backdrop of a cloudy sky, triggering a feeding response in fish. The bright colors not only attract the fish, but also help them to hone in on the lure from a distance. This is particularly important in murky or stained water where visibility is further reduced. Always keep a selection of bright lures in your tackle box for those overcast days. With the right lure, you can turn a cloudy day into a successful fishing trip. Remember, the key is visibility. Bright lures are your best bet for low-light conditions. So next time the skies are gray, don't hesitate to reach for those vibrant lures. Happy fishing! Section 4. Sunny days, bright displays. Lure color in bright conditions. Sunny days bring bright light and increased visibility. However, they also create shadows and glare on the water's surface. Fish may have difficulty distinguishing our lures from the surrounding environment. In these conditions, it's best to use lures with contrasting colors. Black and silver, red and white, or even combinations of bright colors can be highly effective. These contrasting patterns create a visual disruption that attracts fish and triggers strikes. When selecting your lure, consider the water clarity and the type of fish you're targeting. In clear water, bright and contrasting colors stand out more effectively. This can make a significant difference in your fishing success. Remember, the right color can be the key to a great day on the water. So, next time you're out on a sunny day, choose your lure colors wisely and enjoy the thrill of the catch. Section 5. Understanding fish, behavior, color preferences, and feeding patterns. Different fish species have different color preferences. Understanding these preferences can significantly improve our chances of success. For example, predatory fish like bass are often attracted to bright, flashy colors that mimic the movements of injured prey. On the other hand, panfish like crappie or bluegill are more likely to be drawn to natural colors and subtle presentations. Researching the feeding habits and color preferences of your target species is crucial for selecting the most effective lure color. Additionally, environmental factors such as water clarity and light conditions can influence lure color effectiveness. By considering these elements, you can make more informed decisions and increase your fishing success. Section 6. Essential tips for beginners. Choosing the right lure color. For beginners, choosing the right lure color can seem overwhelming. With so many options available, it's easy to feel lost. However, a few simple tips can set you on the right track. Understanding the basics can make a huge difference. Start with a basic selection of lures in natural colors like silver, white, and translucent greens. These colors mimic the natural prey of many fish species. These colors are versatile and effective in a variety of conditions, whether you're fishing in clear or murky waters. As you gain experience, experiment with brighter colors in low-light conditions or contrasting patterns on sunny days. Bright colors can attract fish from a distance. Don't be afraid to try different colors and observe how fish respond. Sometimes a small change can make a big difference. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a lure color that you are confident in and that will entice fish to strike. Confidence in your choice can improve your fishing